Hey, oh, hey guys. Um, this is my first Minecraft video. Hope it's not really cringy. Good chance it probably is, but Minecraft, a game no one really plays anymore. Hopefully this audio runs smooth as my computer. It's only just a normal laptop, and yeah. So, uh, go down in the comment section, guys, and tell me what you think about, like, what other game I should play. That's not like Fortnite, because my computer can't handle it. And that's free. Because I'm poor. Anyway, I'm going to go to the village. Let's go see what they're doing. Also, this seed that I have, the seed that I have is called Alex. Alex is actually a great friend of mine, and told me how I can get achievements, which I was a noob and couldn't do, but I'm good at everything else. So, yeah. Also, what was I gonna say? God, I can't remember. What the hell happened to you? Yeah, give me game ideas as well, cause content. I don't know. Oh, basically this series, the idea that we're gonna do is get. Oh, creeper behind me. The idea is what we're gonna do is try get as many achievements as we can. It's the whole goal for the series. It's one of those stupid achievement ones that no one really plays. Die, witch! Witchcraft! There we go. So, first video, tell me, guys. Tell me in the comment section if it's any good. Come on, creeper. Come on. Come on. Come on. Out into the field. Attack! Oh. Oh, there's another one behind me, I think. Nope. By the way, I'm not gonna have a face cam because don't want people to see how ugly I am. Nope. Nope. Come on, creeper. You have some serious knockback on this. Where's the Enderman? Come on, Indy. Indiana Jones. But Enderman. Come on. Yay! I got a grass block. Yay! Tell me if you guys know any stuff which is probably better than what I have, because that'll be handy. This is a pretty good start for my first vid. Ooh, carrot. We'll walk back. Well, yeah, because we can't run. We'll walk back down to the house. We'll sign off there, and that'll be the thing today. Or should I get an achievement first? I'll get an achievement first, eh? And then we'll sign off for the day. Actually, I already got an achievement. get one more. Come here, village. I can't be stuff. Yeah. We actually already got one, and it's nothing I can do at this point to get an achievement really fast. But yeah. So the house is underground because I always do that because I'm a nub. Whee! Straight through the zombie. Yeah, that's the goal of the series, and in the first one to put the first comment down in the comment section, I will build something. Like, tell me what I should build, and I will build it. But it has to be possible. And that will be the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time I upload a video, which is probably, I don't know.